Welcome students. So now we are going to learn on the basis of data we are going to calculate whether to hold the combination of the security which you have given. So the question here for the problem is stocks Y and Z have the following parameters. So expected rate return for stock Y is 20 and for Z it is 30 and expected variance for stock Y is 16 and stock Z is 25, and he has also given the covariance between YZ, that is 20. The question which is asking is there any advantage of holding a combination of Y and Z? So let's solve this problem. So we'll put solution. Okay. So now we to calculate this, we need to calculate the R, that is correlation coefficient between security Y and security Z. So then we will come to know whether to hold it or not to hold it. So we have to calculate, that is R, that is correlation coefficient between stock Y and Z. So we will use the formula, that is R YZ is equal to, so covariance between YZ, that is given in the problem, divided by standard deviation Y and standard deviation Z. Okay, so in the problem, if you see here, he has not given the standard deviation, but he has given the variance. So if we square root it, so we'll get the standard deviation. So standard deviation of Y is equal to, so square root of variance. So the variance, that is nothing but, that is 16, that is given in the problem. So standard deviation for security wise 4, and standard deviation security Z, so same thing will do. Okay, so variance is equal to root of, so we have 25, so 25 we'll get 5. So risk, that is nothing but standard deviation of security wise 4 and standard deviation of security Z is 5. Now putting the values in the formula, covariance we already know, that is given in the problem, that is 20. So we use 20 divided by 4 into 5. So we'll get 20 divided by 20. So we get the value, that is 1. So the correlation coefficient between Y, Z is 1. So it is plus 1. So what we have to comment here is, so comment should be that there is no advantage. No advantage. Because both the risk cannot be reduced because they are positively, and that is again perfectly positively correlated. Perfectly positively correlated. So there is no advantage of holding the security Y and Z because they are positively correlated from the calculation.